Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. And what we are gonna do is first we are gonna verify our age. Why? Because in some countries it's mandatory to verify the age to enable the voice chat. In some countries it's not mandatory, so based on your country you can select. So to verify our age, you need to enter into your settings following account info. On the account info, just scroll down and on the birthday below it shows like verify my age. Just press verify your age and submit any one of the proof like voter ID or passport or your driving license to verify the age. And in between it shows like you need to give the access, so for that you need to enter into your application info and give the camera access. Once it's done, please upload your proof to verify. After that, please position your face to verify your ID. Yeah, once it's done, it shows like congratulations, you're done, thanks for verifying your identity. Now our identity is verified and the age is verified. Yeah, once it's done, please come back and you need to enter into the settings and the following privacy and content restriction, and then following you need to enter into the communication. On the communication tab it shows voice chat, please enter into the voice chat. After you entered, it shows enable microphone. Yeah, please enable your microphone to enable the voice chat in the game. So this is how guys you need to enable your voice chat. Once you enable, please check into your game, and I hope you like the video. And thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.